Hello teacher. Are you looking for an easy way to create visual diagrams and mind maps to explain complex concepts to your students? Try the Creately add-on on MS Word. Open a new document. Click on Extensions and select Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Search for Creately and install it. Go back to the document. Click on Extensions. Select Creately. Click on Insert Creately Workspace. It will take you to the Creately interface and select the free plan. Fill in all the necessary details. Now you can see all the tools. Use the required tools and prepare the mind map. Whether you're explaining a complex process, outlining a project, or teaching a lesson, the Creately add-on can help you bring your ideas to life in a way that engages and educates your students. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.